Hi, I'm Dr. Nailin Patel. I'm here at Oxford Valley Dental Excellence. Our practice is located at 240 Middletown Boulevard in Langhorne. We have a very modern and excellent dental office. We do a lot of cosmetic dentistry. Veneers is one of the main avenue of treatment which we try and give to all our cosmetically inclined patients. We give lumineers and at the same time MAC veneers and Da Vinci veneers. Our veneers are from 5-year to a lifetime warranty on any fractures or anything which happens. Veneers give excellent cosmetic looks, and you can see even I have veneers.